How to join a group and community on Tumblr. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching how to join a group on community here on Tumblr. So to join a group community here on Tumblr, that is perfect for those who wants to have like a same thing or same people you want to find like the same with you or same what they call this, have something in common. So here all you need to do is once we open up the Tumblr right here, click on the a lot of people icon right there in the middle. Right there you go. As you see right there, once we're here you will see communities right here. So now choose a community. So right now we have we're gonna choose aesthetic because it looks aesthetic. And now we can choose from community right here. So we're gonna choose any how about this do like a functional decor right there. Then click on join on the top right corner right there. There you go. As you see, join, agree, and join. Then as you can see right now, we have joined. Now, for example, you've already joined right here, and you want to leave. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing on the three dots on the top right corner, right here, you see report community. You will see below leave. Press on the leave right there. And there we go. It's making sure if we really want to leave the community, all you have to do is press on leave community right there. And then there you go. As you can see now, we have left the community here on Tumblr. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So that's how you join a group and also leave a group community here on Tumblr. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, leave the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on how to rock it, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.